Here we come to the elevators at the Hyatt Regency Hotel by the Reunion Tower in downtown Dallas, Texas, and we finally got an elevator to ourselves, so I don't have to worry about talking over the music. So let's go to 28. This is an official night take on these elevators. Wee, these are fast. One. Whoa, these are fast. All right, I'm gonna go for one more ride up the, looking out the view, and after that, I'm gonna go ahead and get a cab view. All right, here we go. Wow, are these fast? Whoa, these are incredibly fast. All right, let's go back down to the lobby and we'll get a cab view on the way down. Here we are back into the atrium. And you can see that big star in the center of the atrium, as you see right there. These are your fixtures. They're EPCO Circle Line fixtures. And all right, and now we get to ride the internal elevators, and this time we're gonna watch the numbers. And the original floor indicator still actually works, so all right, here we go. See, the original floor indicator still works along with the newer CE electronic Acme floor indicator. This is definitely a tasteful mod, I gotta say. All right, here we're at 28.
28th floor.
All right, down the lobby. My ears are already popped. Anyways, I'm gonna do a daytime take on these elevators. Whoa, that stopped hard. These travel like at around 1,000 feet a minute. Anyways, I'm gonna go for one more ride and we'll get a full detailed view of the cab. One of the light bulbs already burned out. Look up in the ceiling, who do you see? Hi. See, that right there is your newer indicator right there, and I believe that is your original floor indicator, which not only did they do a tasteful mod, not only did they leave that original, but the floor indicator still works. And oh, look at this. I think that's your original Otis interlock. See? That's your original, I believe that is your original Otis door interlock. And that right there used to be an Otis nameplate, but they replaced it with a Schindler over it. They retrofitted the Otis door track with the Schindler logo on it. These obviously had touch buttons according to Alex Stack, YouTuber Gloose. And that is your original plug-in key card reader, which they don't make that anymore. They now make these RFID scan key card where you just tap it and it'll just light up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. So thanks for watching, and that'll be it.